show. Ishola, Muhammad.
Thank you, everybody. Well, what we want to do tonight, we want everybody to come on, get up off your seat, clap your hands. Come on, clap your hands now. Pat your feet. But look here, we got a message we'd like to bring across to you tonight in this song. And what we want you to do is try to understand why you dance. And most of all, what we want you to do is just listen. It shines